Hey there, today we're going to look at how to easily reset your Frigidaire fridge. So let's get started. First, unplug the fridge from the wall outlet. Over here, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes to let the system fully power down. After that, plug it back in. Then you might hear a beep or see lights flashing that's normal as the system reboots. Next, use the control panel reset. Over here, press and hold the power cool and power freezer buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds. Then release them when you hear a beep that means the reset is complete. After that, reset the temperature settings. Over here, set the refrigerator to 37 degrees Fahrenheit and the freezer to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it stabilize for 24 hours. Next, reset the water filter light if your model has one. Press and hold the filter reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns green or disappears. Then check for cooling or power issues. Over here, make sure the doors are sealed properly and there's enough airflow around the back. If it still doesn't cool, unplug it again for 30 minutes and repeat the reset. Finally, if the display isn't responding, turn off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes and then switch it back on to perform a deeper reset. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.